solve addition and subtraction of fraction, examples on it now. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Any addition or subtraction with one term is called monomial. So let's assume you are given 6 over x plus 5 over x. They have one term, it's called monomial. So if you are to solve this now, the LCM of x and x is just like the LCM of 2 and the 2. It will still give you the same number. So what you will do is you bring down the denominator, which is x, since they are common. You bring it down. When you bring it down, you then just add the numerator since the denominators are the same. When you add them, you have 6 plus 5. You only do this when the denominators are the same. So 6 plus 5 will give you 11. You also bring down your denominator. You are done with this. There is nothing to solve again. You are done with it. Let's go again. If we are to solve, or if you are given an example like 2 over 3y minus 1 over 3y. The same thing applies. Since they have the same term at the denominator, what you will do is you bring down the denominator as the LCM of two fractions. And when you do that, you say 2, just subtract or add depending on what you have as your sign. But what we are doing now is subtraction, because we have subtraction here. You have 2 minus 1 will give us 2 minus 1 will give me 1 over 3y. That is all. So, but we can go to ones that are a bit complicated, larger ones. Can go to the ones that are a bit bigger. If you are given 2 over 3 plus 6 over 8 plus 1 over 6 to find the LCM and solve these fractions also. What we do now is to find the LCM of these three given numbers. For you to find the LCM of these three given numbers, you either draw your lines or use the same method we have been using, the first method. You have 3, 8, 6. 3 into here, or let's start with 2. We move with 2. This one will give me 3. You bring down 3. Here will give me 4 and 3. We go again with 2. This one will give me 3. This one 2 and 3. You have 2. We have 3 here. 1 and 3. We go with 3. Then you have 1, 1 and 1. Now the next thing we do is to multiply this. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. and 8 times 3, 24. So the LCM of the denominators is 24. We have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 equal to 24. So now we continue our solving to solve the fraction. Since we have known that our LCM is 24, the question you ask yourself is 24 divided by 3, the denominator of the first fraction, it will give me 8. 8, you have 8, you put 2 inside, plus 24 divided by 8 will give me 3. You multiply by 3, you have 6. Close your bracket, plus 24 divided by 6 will give me 4. You have 4, multiply by 1. Now let's open up our brackets. 8 times 2 will give me 16. Plus this times 3 times 6 will give me 18. Plus 4 times 1 will give me 4. All over the LCM, which is 24. Now the only thing you need to do is to add the numerators now. 16 plus 18 will give me 34. 34 plus 4 will give me 38. You have 38 over the LCM, which is 24. Now the question will be, how many 24 is in 38? You have 1. And what is remaining? What will be remaining is 14. You have 14 over 24. Since 14 and 24 are even numbers, something can go or something can divide. Now you move 2 divided by 14 will give me 7. That's we have 1 whole number 7 over 12. 14 divided by 2 will give me 7, and 24 divided by 2 will give me 12. Now this is our answer for this fraction. I will send more fractions to you for you to solve and understand how these things go. It's not a difficult task, but just patience and being patient and well focused, everything will be done. See you in the next video.